Hello everyone, let's match object to its sound. Today letter is O. Letter O makes the O sound. The next letter is P. Letter P makes the P sound. Now we're going to find all the things that begins with a O sound and all the things that begins with a P sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Letter O. Letter O makes the O sound. We're going to find all the things that begins with a O sound. O, onion. O, octopus. O, on. O, owl. O, olives. O, ostrich. O, oil. O, open. O, otter. O, orange. Well done everyone, fantastic job. We found all the things that begins with a O sound. Great work, well done everyone. Letter P. Letter P makes the P sound. Now we're going to find all the things that begins with a P sound. Penguin. Pan. Purple. Panda. Pear. Plum. Peacock. Pumpkin. Pig. Peas. Pen. Well done everyone. We found all the things that begins with a P sound. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Hello parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find money resources that you can download and help your child with their early reading, writing and math skills. I will leave a link in description. Thank you for all your support and happy learning.